Meaning of dispute.
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 Dispute. The term dispute refers to a disagreement or conflict between two or more parties that can arise from differences in opinions, interests, or concerns. A dispute can occur in various contexts, such as legal, commercial, political, or personal relationships. The result of a dispute can vary, depending on the nature and severity of the issues at stake, as well as the willingness and ability of the parties to find a resolution. In some cases, disputes can escalate into prolonged litigation or even violence, while in others, they can be settled through negotiation, mediation, or arbitration.